Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this multivitamin supplement from Now Supplements. I began taking this Eve multivitamin almost a year ago to help relieve the symptoms of PCOS. It has the classic multivitamins such as zinc, B12, and biotin, but it's also formulated with extra vitamins like CoQ12 and green tea extract. This multivitamin really goes above and beyond to make sure I am getting my essential vitamins for the day, which is very important to me as my body struggles to regulate its hormones. The supplement is a bit big. There are 3 to take each day. This personally doesn't bother me, but it is something to be aware of. I take it once a day so that the bottle lasts me about a month. I purchase from Now Supplements because of their quality checks, which is very important to me, and they also work to keep prices low. So I really recommend this supplement. Now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.